Buenas tardes, little tree huggers. This is the life cycle of a plant. As you see, we have the seed. That's the seed that holds a tiny plant with leaves, stem, and root parts, plus a food supply. Wow. After you plant the seed, what is happening? The germination. With water, soil, and sun, the plants begin to grow. After that, the stem and the roots. Stems push up toward the light, and the roots grow down into the soil. After that, leaves come out. Leaves unfold, take in sunlight, and produce food through photosynthesis, while the water gives nutrients to the plant. Then they come the flowers. Many plants produce flowers that are important in making seeds. Pollination is when flowers are pollinated, when pollen from the stem move into the pistil, seeds and fruits are produced. Look at that. So that is the life cycle of a plant. And as you remember, we are doing our germination here. We have our turnips, and we do have our spinach and our broccoli that they're growing. Do you remember we plant them from a seed? Do you know why they're all looking to the right? Can you see them? They're all pointing to the right. You have any idea why? I give you a hint. They are all by the window. We put them by the window. What is it that a plant needs to grow? They need soil, they need water, agua, tierra, and what else that is outside? That is the most important thing, that it also doesn't only help plants, but it helps us and animals. El sol, the sun, that's right. So they're all pointing that way. Look at them. They're pointing that way because that way is the sun. That is very important. Now, look at this. The rocks. Rocks. No, we're not talking about rocks today. We're talking about our germination. And look at our apple seeds, remember? All right, let's see how they're doing. Well, I don't see much going yet. Not much is happening on that one, and this one, and this one. Not much is happening yet. They need few days, right? But we have to make sure that they have enough moist. Now the paper is still soaked, so they have plenty of humidity here. It's just a matter of time. We need to be patient. There we go. Ooh, and here is our box of nature. Do you remember what is in here? Can you see it? Who found this? One of our little tree huggers found this. And then little tree huggers found all this. Whoa, these are cicada shells. These are all our cicada shells. And we have some mariposas. And what else we have? And we have a moth. They were beautiful. They were dead when we found them, poor babies. But this is the snake skin. Yeah. But nothing to worry, nothing to be scared of. They're just it's just the skin. They're just animals, right? Here we have. There's some things that little tree huggers, they collect lots of things. They go afuera and they find very, very nice things and different. These are maripositas, but these are the wings of maripositas. Sometimes we find them, just the wings, and we put them in a jar and we just observe them because they're fascinating to look at them. They have different colors, right? This is a beautiful mariposa that we found. I think there's a tiger eye. And poor baby, she passed away outside in the driveway, and we collected her and we put it here to observe her. This is a Primantis. a praying mantis also that we found. It was by the bushes and it was already dry, so it seems like it has been dead for quite some time. Well, these are the creatures that we have right here. This is the collection that we have access to and we can see it. Whoa, what is in that one? Do you know what that is? This is not our friend. This is not our friend. Do you have any idea? What is this little thing right there? I tell you what it is. It's a big tick. It's a big tick that it has been here for a few years now. It's dead. It's not alive. But this big tick was one of my dogs. Yeah, I was sucking and eating my poor doggy. But that was a long time ago. Anyway, this is nature. We're gonna go outside pretty soon, okay? I hope you get to be outside. Remember I said that it's nublado? Well, now it's sunny. What's going on? Who understands this weather? Cherry, do you? Ciao, ciao.